Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. J coming at you with some academic advice. Ladies and gentlemen, reading over some of your projects, I have understood the major problem. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I was a student, when I was in school, 100% of my information came from stuff that looked like this, books. In fact, Mr. J has literally a ton of books in his room. I honestly cannot throw anything without hitting a book. But you guys, it's a little different. You have access to hundreds of sources. And because you have access to these hundreds of sources, you get a little overwhelmed. You pick on something and you pull the first information, and then you guys do something that is really starting to annoy me on your assignments. You hit Control C, and then you do Control V, and then you turn it in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there is something you need to know about. There is a Turn It In program on the assignments, and it will tell me with a 99% accurate rate everywhere you got an assignment from. It will tell me if you pulled it verbatim. It will tell me if you took parts. And here's the thing. If I see a turn it in score of over 80%, meaning 80% of your document is copied, it fails. And you get reported for academic fraud. And if you get enough warnings like that, you can be released from the school. So from this day forward, Control C, Control V is no longer accepted for a graded assignment. And how are we going to prove that it didn't happen? Well, your turn it in score is going to be the biggest answer. But what I'm going to look for the most, and from every assignment that turns in with a bibliography, you get an automatic plus 5 points. Mr. J, what's a bibliography? Well, according to the dictionary, a list of the books referred to in a scholarly work, typically printed as an appendix or similar. Basically, folks, you tell me where you got the information from. Now, you can pull up online bibliography, methods of bibliography. That's fine. Or, since this is kind of an informal bibliography, what I want you to do is you got the information from this article, name the article, this website, give me the website. And if there's an author, attach the author's name. If it is a group, attach the group's name. Ladies and gentlemen, the copying and pasting has to stop. I also, if you are going to copy and paste, which will fail you, take out the hyperlinks. I have had 27 assignments turned in for 6.04, and 4 of the students have left in the hyperlinks. All right, guy, when you do that, it just makes you think I'm too stupid to find them or know what they are. All right, that is not the case, folks. What I need you to do from now on is every time you use a source or a book or a document, you need to list it. I want to see a section at the bottom that says bibliography. If you do that, I'm automatically going to give you 5 bonus points. If you're not sure how to do a bibliography, guess what? You can type in bibliography online and it will tell you how to do it. It will give you a template. Or as I said, just give me the name of the article, the name of the website or book, and who wrote it. That's all a bibliography is, folks. Now, some teachers do have set formats. All right. Mr. Hester for an English paper is going to want a set format. Right now, I just want you guys to use them. If you use them, you get bonus points. All right. That's all Mr. J's got. If you have any questions, please email me and we will go from there. Thank you.